Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and in this video, I want to talk about the benefits of email marketing. Should you be doing it? How's it going to help your business? I've got all of that covered in this email, so make sure you stick around to the end. Do me a quick favor, smash the like button on this video. That really helps with YouTube. And if you haven't already, do subscribe and hit the bell. I've got tons of videos even on email marketing that will really help grow your business. Now, I've been in business 17 years and I've figured out a lot in that time. I've had highs, lows, and everything in between. And along the way, what I've discovered is a system, a methodology that takes cold leads and turns them into red hot buyers. And if you want to find out more on that, in the description, I'll put a link and you can grab a free copy of my book, Expert Mastery, a physical copy that will ship out to you. So do check that out while you're here. Now, email marketing, should you do it? Well, email marketing is one of the best marketing strategies to get people to spend money with you. And that clearly is a good thing, right? And so you must be marketing, and building a list is very, very important. Now, what also is important to understand is that you could spend weeks, months, or years building a platform on social. For example, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. I don't know what platforms you're on, but what I do know is that at any moment they could be taken away from you, or they just might become less popular. You see, I've got 100,000 followers on Twitter, and 5 years ago, that was incredible. I used to get a ton of business from it, but now very, very few people go there for business. And so that isn't very useful to me anymore. And so what's more important is to take people from those social platforms that you've got and build them into an email list. Now you control the conversation. You might then in the future build a TikTok channel, and you can say, hey, go and check me out on TikTok. So the benefit there is controlling your clients, having that ability to have the conversation on the platform you want to. That is critical. And so if you don't do that, you could really fail. And I've seen people, tons of people in the last 2 years get shut down on Facebook for various reasons. And that means that they spent all that time and effort building that list and they can't move it and have that conversation going forward. And so that's a real benefit here. So we've talked so far about sales. It's the best marketing strategy to get sales because they already know you, right? It's also a great strategy to control the conversation. Now, another thing is that it gives you the ability to give value. You see, just because someone's in your email list doesn't mean they're ready to buy. So what you can do is you can keep seeding value, giving them emails with content. You could send them to a blog post. You could send them to a LinkedIn post. You could send them to a YouTube video just like this one, right? And what that does is it means that you're building that relationship, right? You're building that know, like, and trust, so they can really look at you and say, you know what? That's someone that I want to work with in the future. You can't do that on social. You can have conversations when you're ready to have them. So that's another thing. You control the conversation. Now, I might have thousands of people on Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever platform I'm on that I want to have conversations with. But just because I do a post doesn't mean that they necessarily log into that platform on that particular day. But it also doesn't necessarily mean that it will show up, because you're only seeing content from people that you've recently engaged with, and maybe they didn't engage with my last post and I put something really good out, but they're not going to see it. And that's not good, right? And so by having that list, that's another benefit, is you can control the conversation when you want it to happen. So those are some of the things that I feel are the benefits of email marketing. I have made hundreds of thousands of pounds in sales in my business using email marketing, and I think you should be doing it, really, really pushing your business forward via that. Now, if you want to get a system to build a list, then do grab Expert Mastery, my new book. I'll put a link in the description. Do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. If you've got any questions, comment below and I'll answer all of those personally. And do go and check out all the other content on this YouTube channel while you're here. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.